Hello viewers and welcome back. This is the part 2 of Indian festive look. This is the messy bun that I created in my previous video, and in this video we are going to be focusing on creating a simple yet elegant makeup look that of course you can wear with any outfit. So let's get it started and prep our face for the makeup. Okay, I've already prepped my face with the toner and serum. I'm using the Nivea moisturizer since the time I've been using this cream. I feel it's very hydrating for my skin, so it's a great product. It's an amazing product. Next, I'm going to be using a primer. Again, the Nivea Sensitive Aftershave Balm for men. Next, I'm going to be using Painterly from MAC Cosmetics on my eyes as my eyeshadow base or eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to set the eyeshadow base with a little bit of powder. Now I'm going to create a smoky eyeliner, and in order to see a detailed tutorial on how I create a smoky eyeliner, go back to my previous video where I've shared 4 different and easy ways of applying eyeliner, and you will be able to learn a smoky eyeliner in no time. Okay, so after we are done creating the smoky eyeliner, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow. I'm taking one from Sephora, this one. And I'll take it on a tapered fluffy brush, and I'm going to add this color on the outer corner of my eye here. And further, I'm going to blend it using the blending brush from MAC Cosmetics in the number K09. So I'm going to blend this into the crease, and this is how we create the look. And now we're going to repeat it on the other eye. Okay, after doing that, I'm going to start with my base. So I'm using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NW30. I'm going to blend this further with a beauty blender. It's a damp beauty blender. After the concealer, I'm going to be applying foundation. Now I use the Makeup Forever HD foundation stick, which has very good coverage. And now I will use a flat kabuki brush or a foundation buffing brush to press the product inside the skin. After foundation, I'll be using a highlight concealer, which is from NARS. I'm going to apply the concealer only in the highlight areas. I'm going to blend it using a foundation buffing brush. I'm going to use the damp beauty blender to further blend it. Now this way the excess product also gets absorbed and I get a more natural finish on my skin. Now I'm going to contour using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. I'm taking this shade. And I'm going to create a shadow on my cheeks that accentuates my cheekbones and sculpts my face and makes it look a little bit more slimmer. Powder on my jawline. The next step is to contour the nose. So I'm going to create 2 lines over the bridge of my nose. Now is the time to add powder. I'm taking the Calabar powder puff. We are going to draw our eyebrows using an angular brush. Now I'll take off the excess powder. And we'll create our under eyes. So for that, again, I'm going to take the gel eyeliner. I'm going to fill my waterline with this eyeliner. And I'm going to blend it to create a smoked out under eye. Now I'm going to add some blush, some mascara, and I'll show you the final look. And this is the final look, guys. You all would have already seen it in my previous video as well. I hope you guys like it and I hope you guys find it useful, and if you do, please let me know in the comments below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell icon on so that you know when my next video comes. And I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.